Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can get rid of little circle. As you can see over here, you can remove it if this is not in your use or it's coming in your way to use your apps and like that things. You wanna remove this, and you have to do is the simple steps I can show you. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone setting. If you are on other page, you have to come in your home page. As you can see over here, you have to do is click on your settings and then scroll up and go to generals, or like you can see over here, accessibilities. In this you will find all the accessibilities or access that iPhone using. So you have to do is click on that accessibility, and then you will come in this page, and you have to do is scroll up, and you will see over here physical and motors. In this you will see touch. If you click on this, you will comes in this page, and you will see on the top you will see assistive touch. This means that this little circle is on your screen is on. So you can simply do is you have to click on this, and you can simply turn this off if you don't want this circle in your phone. So you have to do is click on this toggle to turn this off, and then it's gonna be removed from your screen and you will never use this. If you want to turn this again on, you have to come over here and then turn it on. So for the course of the video, we have to turn this off or remove this. So we have to click on this toggle to turn this off. Once you click on that, it's going to be removed, and you can simply go back to your home page and use your phone as you want to use. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.